In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the app Gusto. To begin, open the Gusto admin app on your phone or tablet. When the app loads, sign into your admin account. Make sure you are on a secure connection and that you are using the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are signed in, you will land on the home screen, where you can access your main payroll actions. From the home screen, tap Run Payroll. This takes you into the payroll workflow, where you will enter the information Gusto needs in order to calculate pay accurately. Take a moment to confirm you are working on the correct pay period. This helps prevent mistakes, especially around holidays or off-cycle schedules. Next, enter hours or bonuses for your team. For hourly employees, carefully type in the number of hours worked for the pay period. If you are adding bonuses, enter the bonus amounts in the appropriate fields. Go slowly here, because this is the section that directly affects what people get paid. If you normally track time in another system, it is a good idea to have those totals available before you start, so you can match what you enter in Gusto. As you enter details, watch for any obvious issues, like a missing entry for someone who should be paid, or an unusually high number that could be a typo. When you have finished entering hours and bonuses, tap Review. The review screen is your chance to check everything before payroll is processed. Look over each team member's pay details and make sure the amounts and entries look correct. This quick review step can save you from having to correct payroll later. If everything looks accurate, tap Submit Payroll. Submitting payroll finalizes the run and sends it through processing. After you submit, wait for the confirmation in the app so you know it went through successfully. Once you see that confirmation, you are done for this payroll run. That covers everything you need to know.